The busted button.
All right, everyone, here I am on my lunch break again, and man, we've had an amazing couple of days. I know you guys watched the other day and you saw me get the Bose radio system. That Bose radio system, I paid $10 for it, and I just sold it for 199 bucks. And Kelly found the designer dress that she listed for 600. So we've had a good run here lately, and I'm gonna continue it. I'm gonna go in here and see what I can find. So you guys wanna see craziness? I just found this Speedy Gonzalez glass, and they just brought out these new racks. I went over there and picked it up, and I started looking at comps, and some of these things can be very, very rare. I see sets of two going for, I don't know, 120 or so, but then they start dropping in price significantly, but I don't see this one. So I'm gonna take this thing, I'm gonna get it home, and I'm gonna list it. I'm gonna see what I can get for it. I bet you I can get $30 for this glass. It may take a while for it to sell, but I think I'm probably paying in $1.99. Yeah, I'm gonna see what I can get for it. So I came in just at the right time. They brought in, let's see, 2 new racks here. These are all kids shirts, kids. That's too bad. There was a whole rack of Adidas track pants over there. I thought about picking them up, but $7. There was like 8 of them. I'll probably leave those. This might be something here. I think it's gonna be Cowgirl Tough jeans. I'll check those out. Those are pretty nice though. This is absolutely crazy, guys. I went over to the new rack and I found all of these albums right here. And I started looking up a couple of these. Swans, The Glowing Man. That was probably a $50 album, and it could be signed. The only thing that might hurt it is if that sticker won't come off. Here's another one, Slow Dive. This one was going for like, I don't know, 50 to 100. And don't quote me on these prices, but just about every one I've looked up so far of these albums have gone anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks. So that's gonna be an amazing find. It's gonna be fun listing these. So I wanted to stop the video right here, and I wanted to talk about the albums I found. And hey, disclaimer, guys, I know very little about albums. I try to look out for them, and I try to look them up when I find them, but it's just not my forte. I really don't know about them. So there ended up being 10 albums altogether, and I'm not going to go through every single one of these. There was different bands. Most of them were gatefold, which makes them a little better, and some of them were more rare in the fact that they were silver instead of black. So, and there was a couple of them, or at least one, maybe one other, that has a signature on it, and that could be from the band. I'm going to research that a little more. But I paid $20 for all of those albums. They're $1.99 at Goodwill. And we put everything together, and we kind of took the middle ground. If it was listed from 50 to 85, and that was the sold comps, we kind of went in the middle of that. But we think we can get $250 for every one of those albums if they all sell. So I guess, you know, what I'm trying to get at here, guys, if you're in Goodwill and you don't know a lot about a category, albums is not really my thing. If you're only paying $1.99, why not go ahead and take the chance, buy all of them, in the hopes that there's going to be one in there that's worth a lot of money. And after I looked up a couple of those and I saw that they were going anywhere from 30 to 50, 50 to 80, I said, okay, that's good. I'm going to buy all of them, because you've already made your money back, you've made profit, and who knows, you might find that one album that's worth $200 or $300. So keep your eye out for albums, and hey, I'm going to add some more footage to this. We're going to keep going, so I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so I wanted to show you guys, I came in, this is a continuation of my lunch break, this is another day. So I came in and I found there's 2 in here, 1, 2, Panhandle Slim, and there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 altogether. So I got 9 of these, and I'm paying $8 a piece, and I'm thinking these will probably sell for around, I'll probably list them for 30, 28 to 30, and get no less than 20. So they're easy to list. They're ready to go. They're all in good shape. Panhandle Slim, and they're at double XL, so it's perfect size. Okay. I tried to get Kelly to do the intro. She said, "You're the intro man." So I guess I'll do the intro.
I can't drive an intro.
Yeah. I'll just be quiet now. So, yeah, it's Saturday morning, and there's a church garage sale we're going to go to for sure. We're heading there right now. And maybe some garage sales. We're just going to do some driving around and see what's out there. So, church garage sales are always good. We love a church rummage sale. And I don't think we've ever left one empty-handed. So, I'm excited to go to that. We're heading there now. So, I found some red cap coveralls, and I also found some Liberty coveralls, and we know that these usually sell for around $35 to $40. We're paying $6 for them, so we're gonna get those. What'd you find?
That you brought home some Cowgirl Tough brand jeans the other day, and so I got 2 of those. 2 Cowgirl Tough. Yeah.
Oh. So no matter where we go, we can't get away from our staple soft surroundings. But we're gonna get that because
It's like a dress.
yeah, it's a soft surrounding dress, and I don't know how much women's clothes are here, but it can't be much. So we're gonna put that one in the cart. Oh, show. And we came here and we didn't bring a bag. I can't believe we did that.
This
It's
is
nice.
Meadow
It's Meadow Road.
Roots and
Yeah.
Anthropology brand.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's cute.
Cool. I'll run this stuff over to Reed. Reed's sitting over there playing this game, so we're gonna have to make a pile by him because we didn't bring a bag. So
We always say, I say it every time that I'm going to bring my IKEA bag, and I forget every single time.
ooh, found another one. Look at that,
What? Something
guys.
else? Oh, that's nice.
Maeve dress.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Is it all there, or is it broke? Looks like it's broken.
It's
huh?
broken.
Yeah.
Darn.
Oh well. All right, so it was pretty loud in there. We brought all the stuff out. We're going to show you what we got, and we paid $20 for a donation, right?
Yeah,
Total.
$20 total. Yeah.
Right, so not bad at all.
Some Cowgirl Tough jeans.
And I found some of these the other day at Goodwill, and these things used are going for like $45 or $50. So they're pretty
I
good.
listed them, I think, for $35. Those ones
Yeah.
that we had. These are really nice.
So $20 for everything we had.
We will. We'll throw it away. And then this is a nice soft surroundings dress. That's interesting. Part of a hanger, maybe? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Soft surroundings.
It's a nice one.
Teen size. Yeah. And then, goodness, who packed these? This Meadow Root. This is an Anthropology brand. Meadow Root.
So nice, isn't it?
It is, yeah. They make a lot of lace type items, lace shirts and stuff. These yours?
Yeah, I got those for myself. Maybe if they fit.
And then a nice. Oh, this is another Anthropology brand. This HD in Paris. I've sold this brand before. It's a nice shirt. And then the overalls.
I left the other pair. Kelly pointed out that they had stains on them, so these might have stains on them, but I know that Liberty overalls are they overalls or coveralls?
I don't know, overalls.
Yeah,
I call
overalls.
them overalls. You
Yeah.
call them coveralls.
So these are just, these things go for like $45, $50, and even in this condition, so that's nice.
Yeah.
And that's why we love church garage sales so much, because you can go in there and just get clothes and rack up.
Good stuff.
All right, I think we're gonna see if there's any more garage sales, and we'll keep going a little bit.
Got 2 of them.
Kelly said, I used to have this.
No, I'm not used to.
Still
I have
do?
it. Oh, look, it's this. This is the cassettes.
Oh, that's so cool.
Isn't that cool? That's nice. Look, this one. Nobody ever listened to this one. It's in the package still. That's funny. Yeah, nice.
So I always say you can never tell about a garage sale.
Hang on, buddy.
And we went to this one, didn't look like there was going to be much there. And I saw these, and I turned them over, and it says Magnolite. Man, this stuff is pretty sought after, and I think some of these pans can go for $50 or $60 or $100 a piece. I think if this Dutch oven would have had the top on it, that probably would have been a $100 item by itself. But that's a really good find. We paid $20 for all of it. Can't beat it. Probably sell it individually. I don't think I'll put it as a lot. Just sell them separately. So I really didn't know what they were worth. We stopped at this garage sale back behind us here.
Posable action figures.
Right, they're from the 90s. And I don't know, I'm gonna look them up. I'm gonna take one in the car and we'll see what they're worth. But
cool.
Can't beat it for the 90s, and it was $1.50 for them. So,
Yeah.
all right. So I took a minute and I looked these up, and it looks like they're gonna go for about probably $200.
You're lying.
She looked at me like, what? I think we could probably sell it for $10, and that's maybe.
Okay, well,
So,
it's okay.
hey, sometimes you just take a dollar risk, and you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, it was fun. All right, guys, so we're back at the HQ, and we didn't do too bad today. You know, you're not every day you're going to go out there and just find that $100 item. Sometimes it's just about going out and getting inventory. And we didn't do too bad. We got the pots and we got the clothes. So, you know, kind of an average day. But I just want to tell you guys, thanks for watching. And if you keep watching, we'll keep doing it, and we'll see you soon.